Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you this beautiful, very amazing, very pretty knitting stitch pattern with 2 needles. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is our front side view of the pattern. This is our back side view of the pattern. So back side is all pearl rows. So friends, this is our 8 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast on multiples of 12, multiples of 22 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, multiples of 22 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, this is our first row of the pattern. We knit edge stitch and then purl fold. So we purl 4, purl 4, and then knit 1, yarn over, SSK, SSK, and then knit 1 and knit 2 together. Here knit 2 together, and yarn over, and then knit 6. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit 6 and then again yarn over, SSK, slip 2 stitches knitwise and knit 2 together, SSK, and then knit 1 and then knit 2 together, and then knit 1, knit 2 together, and then yarn over and knit 1 and purl 4, so friends, this is our row 1 which I have completed. Now we knit row 2, and row 2 we purl all stitches. As I said, every wrong side rows we purl all stitches. So we purl we put all stitches. So friends, row 2 is complete. Now we have come to the front side, and on the front side we we need edge stitch, we need edge stitch, purl 4, purl 4, and then knit 2, and then yarn over, and then knit 1 and knit 2 together. Here knit 2 together, knit 2 together, and pass this first stitch over this second stitch. So we pass first stitch over second stitch like this, and then we make yarn over and knit 8. We knit 8 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So friends, I knitted 8 stitches, and now we make yarn over, and then here we knit 1, we knit 1, and then knit 2 together like this, and pass first stitch to the second stitch. So we pick up the first stitch and we pass over second stitch, and now we make yarn over and knit 2, knit 2, and then purl 4, and knit edge stitch. So friends, this way I have completed row 3, and now we will knit row 4 on the wrong side, and row 4 on the wrong side we purl all stitches. So friends, row 4 is complete. Now we have come to the front side, and this is our row 1, this is our row 5, and row 5 we slip edge stitch, we knit edge stitch, and then purl 4, purl 4, and then knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, here SSK, slip 2 stitches knitwise and knit 2 together through back loop. SSK and then knit 1, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, and then yarn over and then knit 1. Knit 1 and then here knit 6. 1, 2, 3, yarn over 2 to 4, 6. Knit 2 together, yarn over and then knit 6, 2, 4, 6, and then yarn over and then here SSK, SSK and then knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2 together and then yarn over and knit 1, knit 1 and then purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4. So friends, row 5 is complete and now we need row 6, and for row 6 we purl all stitches. So friends, row 6 is complete. Now I have come to the front side and then on the front side here we slip edge stitch, we knit edge stitch and then purl 4, purl 4 and then knit 2, knit 2 and then yarn over and knit 1 and then knit 2 together. Here knit 2 together, knit 2 together and pass first stitch over second stitch like this, and then again yarn over and knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, slip knit edge stitch, purl 4, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, knit 2 together and pass first stitch over knit stitch and then yarn over, knit 1 and then here twist 6 stitches to left way. So we slip 3 stitch and then we twist 6 stitches to left way and then knit 6. Knit 6. Knit 6 here. And now knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, knit 2 together and pass first stitch over second stitch here, and then we make yarn over and knit 2 and purl 4, purl 4, so friends, as you can see, this is wonderful pattern. This is very beautiful pattern. So it will be great for all kinds of knits. This is so easy pattern. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So friends, please watch the full video. I work so hard. It takes a day. It takes a full day to make one video. Please show some love to my videos. We will meet again with another videos, inshallah. Thank you so much. Stay healthy. Goodbye.